Hey everybody, this is Randy the Mobile Traveler. I hope this video finds you well. Well, I'll tell you what, I got some work today to do. Yeah, like the thumbnail said, the clubhouse was destroyed. We're going to talk in a minute. I gotta go get situated.
We got a flying tent here. I didn't have a chance to get it locked down, and the storm just came. Look at that, 3 foot in the air. And we got 3 people hanging on to it. 3 people. And we're no slouches. Quartzsite 2022. Oh yeah. Be part of the adventure. All right, Steve. Okay, I'm gonna shut you off.
Okay, so we're going to do a little rewind here. Yes, yesterday, Mother Nature decided that she didn't like the clubhouse, I guess. So just out of the blue, no pun on the word, the wind came up, the rain came up. That wind was blowing so hard it was ridiculous. And I had just got done putting up another 10 by 10 section in the club. I just opened up a wall. As you can see behind me, let's just pan around a little bit. You can see that I just got done putting up a section right here. I didn't have a chance to get it tied down or anything. Matter of fact, I just sat down to take a break. I got the floor in. You know, I put the floor down. I had the walls up and everything. And then it decided to say, no, I don't like it. Anyway, the wind came up, and there just happened to have been 2 other guys here with me. Well, I stood up and I went, I don't know about this. And I was hanging on to the edge. Next thing you know, it's a kite. And I'm hanging on with all my might. So then they stood up and they hung on. And we sat there for, it blew for a good 5-10 minutes. Of course, I only, taped 36 seconds of it because I had to hang on. Anyway, it doesn't matter where you're at. It don't matter if you're in sticks and bricks, if you're in your camper, if you're in your van. The weather's the weather. You cannot control the weather. So anyway, today I'm going to rebuild. Of course, after I do my live chat this morning, I'm going to start that Sunday morning live chat before the football games. But I am not going to sit by a fire. It's too damn hot for that. So I'm going to work a little bit here, guys. And let me sum this up in a minute. Well, I got to get this thing put together. So what I'm going to try to do is get it done within the next hour so I can go live. Anyway, flabbergasted here. Don't know what the hell to say. Yeah, me with no words. I wonder what time the Packers are playing today. Anyway, if you're putting one of these up, you make sure you tie it down before you take a break. That was my problem. Thought I'd take a damn break. What in the hell was I thinking taking breaks? Fun in the desert, everybody. Why don't y'all come join me? You can help me put this club back together. Anyway, this is Randy. I'm going to sign off, everybody. So you make sure you love one another if you can, and if you can't, you try harder or you find a way to get along. Get along with people. That's all I'm asking. All right. Randy's out. Got to work. Oh, are you guys still here? Oh, okay. Cool. Now, it's actually time to go. Now, see this finger? Pushing that button.